Hi friends, in this video I would be show you whether it's possible to repair or fix broken display of this Samsung Ultra HD 4K TV. See, display of this TV has been broken. Let me show you the depth of this damage. See, it's impossible to fix this damage, so I have to replace the display panel. So I have raised one service request and I got reply from the Samsung service team. They are saying I have to pay around 15,000 to replace this display panel. This 15,000 includes cost of the display panel, then service charge and transportation charge. I will show you the quotation. See, this is a quotation. You can see total amount is 15,102 rupees. You can see the cost of the panel, it's 12,624. So there is a service charge and transportation charge. Okay, so this is the amount we need to spend. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.